passenger compartment of the Corolla remained stable in the frontal offset test. There was insufficient pressure in the driver's airbag to prevent the dummy's head from bottoming out the airbag and contacting the steering wheel through the airbag material. Although dummy readings did not indicate a hazard, the score was penalized and protection rated as adequate. Dummy readings indicated good protection of the knees and femurs of the driver and passenger. Toyota showed that a similar level of protection would be provided to occupants of different sizes and to those sitting in different positions. In the full-width rigid barrier test, protection of both dummies was good or adequate for all critical parts of the body. Tests on the front seats and head restraints demonstrated good protection against whiplash injuries in the event of a rear-end collision. A geometric assessment of the rear seats also indicated good whiplash protection. The standard fit autonomous emergency braking system, part of Toyota Safety Sense, performed well in tests of its functionality at the low speeds, typical of city driving, at which many whiplash injuries occur.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Subscribe to Auto TV.